Just west of the Arch in St. Louis, you'll find a quiet, old-school Italian neighborhood known simply as The Hill. It is a fantastic place to walk around and experience the neighborhood that has ultra-strong Italian roots that go back more than a century. Here, you'll find all things Italian. They have their own newspaper, their own Italian radio station. They even have Italian fire hydrants. Mamma mia! But there is one thing they have here on the Hill that they don't have anywhere else. And for that, we gotta talk to this guy.
My name's Anthony Gitto, and welcome to Charlie Gitto's on the Hill in St. Louis, Missouri.
Which has been around in one incantation or another since basically the beginning of time.
That's what's the best about Charlie Gitto's on the Hill, is that you're going back in time when you walk through the door. It's a very old school feel. You just feel like you've stepped back in time.
And today we're stepping back in time to experience St. Louis's most famous dish, the toasted ravioli.
The toasted ravioli is one of the best accidents to ever happen. Back in the 40s, there was a chef in the back that accidentally dropped a ravioli in breadcrumbs. And so he thought to himself, why don't I deep fry it and see what happens? And the rest is history. Toasted ravioli is now a St. Louis staple. And when my father opened up in '81, he actually inherited the original recipe. And we still make this by hand to this day. So you're tasting history.
So you make every batch by accident?
Yes, yeah. It's all a beautiful accident.
And just to set the record straight, this isn't the only beautiful accident that Charlie Gitto's makes.
So we got a lot of our signature items here. Our seafood pasta Suzanne and the spicy cream sauce. We got mussels, clams, langostinos, shrimp, and then we have one of my favorites is our tenderloin Siciliano, center cut certified Angus beef, and it's breaded, topped with cheese, mushrooms, and then our house-made lemon butter sauce. And then we're gonna finish it all off with the tiramisu, house-made in our facility in the back called CG Pasta Products.
I'm so excited about this.
You know what? I think I'm gonna join you.
Oh man. To be honest, I truly like it. How are you not like 300 pounds?
It's tough.
Is it?
It's tough.
Don't say it.
That's very different than I thought it was going to be, but
Right?
it's delicious.
They are like little
So this is your first time having toasted ravioli.
I'm telling you, man, I wouldn't eat it in New York.
You're not gonna want to eat anybody else's.
Why would I bother? As an Italian with parents from Rome, deep frying a ravioli could be considered sacrilege. But as a kid from Queens, this toasted ravioli, along with all the other delights, makes Charlie Gitto's a must visit when in the gateway to the West.
Turn the camera off.